Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to turn Microsoft Family Safety on and off. First, open the Microsoft Family website in your browser and sign in with your Microsoft account. Make sure you are signed in as the family organizer. Once the page loads, you will see the main family dashboard. To add a family member, look for the plus icon on the screen. Click on the plus icon and then enter the email address of the person you want to add. After entering the email address, send the invitation. Microsoft will send an invite to that email. When the person accepts the invitation, they will automatically join your family group. After the family member joins, go back to the main dashboard. You will now see their profile listed. Click on their profile to manage their family safety settings. On their profile page, look at the top right corner and click on the Settings option. From here, you can turn on and manage family safety features. You can set screen time limits to control how long they can use their devices. You can view their activity report to see app usage and online activity. You can also set an age limit to control what content they can access. All of these options can be adjusted at any time. If you want to remove the restrictions, simply go back to the same settings page. Toggle all the switches off for screen time, activity reporting, and content filters. Once the switches are turned off, the restrictions will no longer apply. Another way to completely turn off family safety is by removing the family member from the group. To do this, return to the main dashboard. Find the family member's profile and click on the three dots next to it. From the menu, click on Remove Account. Confirm your choice. Once the account is removed, Microsoft Family Safety features will no longer affect that user. That is how you can turn Microsoft Family Safety on and off. Thanks for watching.